What up, tube? Today is Monday, July 22nd, 23rd, I think. Heading to the shop right now. It's about 8:40, so we opened at 9 o'clock. It's been pretty steady, crazy busy. But of course, you guys already know my story. We've been shorthanded, working with 3 barbers only. I really need, in desperate need of getting some barbers because, you know, right now we're handling it, but the situation is going to get a little bit more graver because, you know, it's, back to school is just around the corner. And when back to school starts, it really gets busy for us. I mean, we have a university literally a quarter mile away from my shop. There's a junior college, literally a quarter mile away from my shop. And both of those shops, both of those schools have 10,000 students each. So you can imagine that there is an abundance of work at my shop, but I'm just short-handed. I don't have no barbers that want to make money and they want to come and work hard. Got a lot of people calling, but they're not serious. You know, I need somebody serious. I need a real worker. So that's the situation here at the shop, you know. Something's gonna pop up. I know. Right now, I'm about to get a barber, so it'll be all right. It'll work out. I'm not really tripping too. I got my son-in-law, Wahl, is gonna be he's gonna be joining the crew pretty soon. I'm gonna be training him myself, and I'm bringing him in as an apprentice. And then there's a couple other people that I'm really considering, so it'll work out. I'm just I'm not stressed out about it yet, but I'm already thinking about, here come the back to school haircuts, and the back to school haircuts is gonna be busy, man. It gets, I mean, like, it gets pretty hectic. But like I said, we'll get through it, and we'll make that money. We'll make that paper. This is what it's all about, guys. It's how you make the money. You got to put in the work. So. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna head to the shop right now. Finish this morning off. Get started in there. Today is Monday, so today's cleaning day. So today I gotta do all my mopping, all my sweeping, clean my sinks. Also gotta debug today because I got a little ant problem in there. So I gotta take care of all of that too. Make sure that the shop is nice and clean for the week. But all right, guys, I'm gonna head in there, get started with this day, and we'll get on with this day, guys.
Hey, blend it right in, sucker.
Tony's getting me a haircut right now, getting me ready for Vegas. Just giving him a hard time, dude. Just do it right, all right, dog? I mean, I'm gonna supervise you. I make sure you do it, okay? Well, gentlemen, that's it for today. Another productive Monday, another week, end of the week. This week was extremely busy, as you could tell. I was shorthanded for sure. Where there's, I mean, I only got 4 barbers working right now. Shorthanded one, so we was just down to 3. It was pretty crazy, but I you know, like I said it all week long, guys, we can handle it. But the only bad thing I'm worried about is the coming month. The coming month is going to be crazy busy around here. It's going to be insanity with school starting back up and everything happening around here. It's just, I need to get myself another barber and get on it, you know. I'm supposed to have another apprentice coming in, but I don't even know what's going on with that. And if it does happen, he's going to be slowed down anyway because he's just going to be getting started. So it's not like he's going to be fasting up on game already. So it's just a working process, but it is what it is. We're gonna get through it. Get through this this next week coming up. Next 2 days I will not be working, and you know, not even if one of the guys doesn't show up. I'm gonna be out of town. I'm leaving tomorrow. I already told you guys. Tomorrow I'm headed to Vegas. Me and my lady are heading over there, and we're gonna go check out the new Raider Stadium, and I'm gonna see if I can get some season tickets. My appointment's tomorrow at 5 p.m. at the Raider Welcome Center, and I'm gonna see if maybe I could pick some seats. So I'm excited about that. You guys know about me, man. I'm a big Raider fan. As you can see behind me, this is a Raider shop, so I do represent sickly. But hey, guys, with that being said, make sure you guys check out some of my videos. Check out my Wahl cordless review if you guys haven't checked it out. It's a great machine. I highly recommend you guys buy it. If you guys haven't gotten up on game on that machine, I suggest you guys jump on because it is an incredible machine. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on Thursday. You guys have a blessed weekend. Actually, you'll probably see me tomorrow because we're going to Vegas, and you know how me, when I go somewhere, I take you guys along with me. I'm going to take the barber drone, and I'm going to take us all up there and see what we can find in Vegas. What I'm going to try to do tomorrow is I'm going to try to find a spot where I can fly my drone next to the new stadium and get my own footage. See if I can do it. See if I can get away with it. I don't know. It's kind of sneaky, but we're going to try to do it tomorrow anyway. But hey, guys, with that being said, you guys have a blessed evening, and I'll see you guys mañana.